A great hunting rifle can mean the difference between success in the field and a missed opportunity. If you're tracking big game in the backcountry or setting up for a clean shot from a blind, the right rifle brings confidence, accuracy, and dependability when it matters most. The latest hunting rifles offer improved accuracy, durability, and adaptability. From lightweight builds for long treks to hard-hitting calibers for bigger game, these rifles are built to enhance performance. Advanced materials, better triggers, and upgraded barrel technology make this year's models stand out. In this video, we're covering 7 of the best new hunting rifles, breaking down what makes each one of these top pick. If you're serious about hunting and want to stay ahead of the game, hit that subscribe button and keep up with the latest in firearms right here on All About Firearms. Let's get started. Number 7. Ruger 1022 Carbon Fiber. Light, fast, and built for performance, this rifle takes the classic .22 platform to a whole new level, weighing in at just 3.5 pounds. It's the lightest of its kind, making it perfect for all-day carry without fatigue. The 16.1-inch cold hammer forward stainless steel barrel is wrapped in a carbon fiber sleeve, delivering the rigidity of a bull barrel without the extra bulk. A threaded muzzle, 1/2 inch by 28, gives you the option to attach suppressors or other muzzle devices for added versatility. The Magpul MOE X22 stock isn't just for looks. It provides a rock-solid grip with a textured white speckle black finish. MLOK slots at the 6 o'clock position offer plenty of customization options for accessories. The BX trigger delivers a crisp 2.5 to 3 pound pull, improving accuracy with every shot. The rifle runs on the legendary 10-round rotary magazine, ensuring reliable feeding and smooth operation. Plus, a factory-installed one-piece aluminum scope rail makes mounting optics effortless. Here are some pros. Ultra lightweight for easy handling. Carbon fiber wrap barrel improves accuracy. Customizable stock and accessory options. Cons: no iron sights included, and higher price tag due to premium materials. The version with the Magpul MOE X22 stock has an MSRP of $649, while the gray birch chassis model is priced at $1,129. Now number 6, Marlin 1895 Trapper. Fast handling, hard hitting, and ready for anything, this rifle brings old school lever action into the modern era. Built for hunters and outdoorsmen who need power in a compact package, it's chambered in the legendary 45 to 70 government, packing enough punch for big game. Weighing 7.1 pounds and measuring just 34.25 inches, it's designed for quick movement through thick brush or tight spaces. The 16.17-inch cold hammer forward stainless steel barrel provides durability and precision. It's threaded 11/16 to 24 for adding a suppressor or muzzle device, making it even more versatile in the field. The dark gray laminate stock isn't just for looks. It's built to withstand tough weather while offering a solid grip. The rifle features Skinner sights with an adjustable rear peep and a front blade, ensuring fast and accurate target acquisition. With a 5+1 round capacity, it delivers plenty of firepower without unnecessary bulk. The oversized lever loop makes cycling rounds smooth even with gloves. A satin stainless finish on the metal components enhances durability, protecting it from the elements. Pros: compact and easy to carry. Rugged construction built for the outdoors. And powerful 45 to 70 chambering for big game. Cons: strong recoil may not suit all shooters. And limited magazine capacity. At an MSRP of $1,449, this rifle stands out as a reliable choice for hunters who want a fast-handling, hard-hitting lever gun. Now number 5, Savage Axis 2. Hunting rifles don't have to be expensive to be accurate and reliable. This one proves it with the upgraded design, smooth operation, and performance that punches above its price tag. Weighing around 6.5 pounds and featuring a 22-inch carbon steel button rifled barrel, it strikes a balance between lightweight handling and solid stability. Available in multiple calibers, including .223 Remington, .243 Winchester, and .6.5 Creedmoor, it suits a wide range of hunting needs. The newly redesigned stock isn't just for looks. Its ergonomic shape, textured grip, and ambidextrous palm swells make it easy to hold steady in any condition. The user-adjustable AccuTrigger allows shooters to fine-tune the pull weight, enhancing control and accuracy with each shot. A detachable box magazine ensures fast and hassle-free reloading, while the improved bolt design delivers smooth cycling, making follow-up shots quick and precise. For those who want an out-of-the-box hunting package, the XP model includes a factory-mounted and bore-sighted 3 9x40mm scope, so you can get straight to the hunt. Whether chasing deer in the woods or varmints in open fields, this rifle is ready. Pros: affordable without sacrificing performance, adjustable trigger for improved accuracy, and lightweight and easy to handle. Cons: synthetic stock may not appeal to traditionalists, and limited aftermarket customization. With an MSRP starting at $489, this rifle is a solid option for hunters looking for quality, accuracy, and affordability in one package. Number 4, Bergara B14 Wilderness Sierra. Tough terrain, unpredictable weather, and long-distance shots. This rifle is built to handle it all. Designed for serious hunters, it delivers exceptional accuracy, durability, and adaptability in the wild. Chambered in popular calibers like .380 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .300 Win Mag, it offers stopping power for anything from whitetails to elk. Weighing between 7.4 and 7.7 pounds, it maintains a steady feel without being overly heavy for long treks. The 20 to 22-inch fluted barrel is crafted from 4140 CRMO steel and treated with a sniper gray Cerakote finish, ensuring corrosion resistance and longevity in extreme conditions. A number 5 tapper keeps weight down while maintaining strength, and the threaded muzzle allows for the addition of a suppressor or brake. The Sporter-style stock features an adjustable comb, letting shooters fine-tune their cheek weld for optimal sight alignment. A crisp Bergara performance trigger enhances precision, while the integrated mini chassis ensures a rock-solid bedding system with sub-MOA accuracy guaranteed. It's built for hunters who demand repeatable, consistent performance in the field. Pros: excellent accuracy for long-range hunting, rugged construction with weather-resistant materials, and adjustable comb for a customized fit. Cons: slightly heavier than some competitors, and limited magazine capacity in Magnum calibers. Starting at an MSRP of $1,099, this rifle brings high-end performance to hunters who need reliability, accuracy, and durability in any environment. Number 3, Smith & Wesson 1854 357 Magnum, a fresh take on the lever-action rifle, built for speed, accuracy, and reliability. This isn't just a throwback. It's a powerhouse, chambered at .357 Magnum, delivering solid stopping power while also cycling .38 Special for softer shooting control. Weighing 6.5 pounds and measuring 36 inches, it handles fast, making it a strong choice for hunting, range shooting, or even personal defense. The 19.25-inch Forge 416 stainless steel barrel features a 1/14-inch twist for consistent accuracy. A threaded muzzle, 5.8 by 24, makes it suppressor ready, while the synthetic stock is designed to withstand the elements. MLOK slots on the fore end allow for mounting accessories like lights or bipods. The rifle loads through a side gate and can be safely unloaded by removing the magazine tube. For sighting, it comes equipped with an adjustable XS Ghost Ring rear sight and a gold bead front sight for quick target acquisition. A 4.75-inch Picatinny rail sits on the receiver, ready for optics. The flat-face trigger ensures a clean break, and the oversized lever loop makes cycling rounds smooth and effortless. Pros: stainless steel construction for long-term durability. MLOK and Picatinny rail for easy customization. Quick and safe unloading via removable magazine tube. Cons: synthetic stock may not appeal to those who prefer wood, and modern styling might not suit traditionalists. The rifle has an MSRP ranging from $1,279 for the black polymer stock model to $1,399 for the walnut stock version with Armornite finish. Number 2, Browning X-Bolt 2 All-Purpose. When every shot counts, you need a rifle that's fast, accurate, and built to perform in any environment. This one checks all the right boxes. Designed around Browning's refined bolt system, it features a short 60-degree throw for quick cycling and smooth operation. Weighing 7 pounds, 4 ounces, measuring just 36.5 inches, it's compact enough for tight spaces while still providing the stability needed for precise shooting. The 16.5-inch heavy sport or contour barrel is free-floated for accuracy and threaded 5/8 by 24 for suppressors or muzzle brakes. The Veritech stock system brings full adjustability, allowing shooters to fine-tune the length of pull, comb height, and even swap grid modules for the perfect fit. A soft Inflex recoil pad absorbs kick, while overmolded grip sections provide extra control in wet or cold conditions. A crisp DLX trigger, factory set at 3.5 pounds, enhances precision, while the new Plus magazine system offers a single-stack detachable box that holds up to 6 rounds, depending on caliber. Chambered at .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, or .243 Winchester, it's tailored for short-action performance. Pros: fully adjustable stock for personalized comfort, suppressor-ready barrel for reduced recoil and noise, and smooth cycling with a fast short-throw bolt. Cons: limited to short-action calibers. Extended magazine design may not suit all preferences. With an MSRP of $1,179, this rifle delivers top-tier features in a compact, high-performance hunting package. Now, number 1. Seekins Precision Havak PH3. Some rifles are built to get the job done. This one is built to dominate. Designed for shooters who demand top-tier accuracy and adaptability. It delivers exceptional long-range performance with features that set it apart from the competition. Whether you're dialing in shots at extreme distances, switching calibers on the fly, or pushing the limits of your hunting rifle, this one is built to perform. The quick-change barrel system allows for effortless caliber swaps without a gunsmith, making it ideal for hunters and competitors who need flexibility. Available in short and long action calibers, including 6mm Creedmoor, .308 Win, 7 PRC, and .300 PRC. It covers everything from varmints to big game. Barrel lengths range from 20 to 26 inches with 5/8 by 24 threading for suppressor compatibility. A 3-lug bolt with a 60-degree throw ensures smooth cycling and quick follow-up shots, while tool-free bolt disassembly makes maintenance hassle-free. Carbon composite stock features an internal aluminum mini chassis for added stability, along with an adjustable cheek riser for perfect sight alignment. The Trigger Tech primary trigger, adjustable from 2.5 to 5 pounds, provides a crisp, clean break for ultimate shot control. A full-length MLOK rail rounds out the package for mounting accessories. Pros: quick change barrel system for multi-caliber use, tool-free bolt disassembly for easy maintenance, and exceptional accuracy and smooth cycling. Cons: premium price tag, slightly heavier than some ultra-light hunting rifles. With an MSRP of $1,895, this rifle is built for serious shooters who refuse to compromise. Whether on the range or in the field, it delivers unmatched performance and adaptability. A great hunting rifle gives you the edge when it matters most. Whether it's accuracy, power, or durability, these 7 rifles deliver. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more expert insights on all about firearms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.